And I'm creating this video to help new crypto investors learn how to transfer funds from one exchange wallet to another and how to exchange those funds on our Bitmart Exchange. After that, I'll teach you how to then withdraw those funds from your Bitmart Exchange so that you can use those cryptos or store those crypto anywhere you want. So, first things first, go to another exchange. In this case, we have Binance open right here. Go to funds and withdrawals. In this case, we're going to be withdrawing Ethereum. Now I would have to put in a withdrawal address. The withdrawal address is actually the Bitmart deposit address. So now go to Bitmart, log into your Bitmart account, go to your assets. From here, we scroll down and we see Ethereum. And under actions, click on deposit. Copy this address and paste it into the Ethereum withdrawal address right here. After that, we'll click the available amount of Ethereum that I have to transfer over. Then submit. From here, I'll put in my 2FA authentication code and I will confirm with my email address. Now, if you don't have any crypto in any exchange wallet, that's okay. What you can do is go to the Bitmart splash page at www.bitmart.com, go to the drop down menu on the top left corner and click on buy coins. Here you can buy cryptocurrencies with credit cards or debit cards. The two cryptocurrencies that you can buy are Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you could use your US or your European bank accounts. But for this tutorial, we'll just use the Ethereum that we just deposited from our Binance account into the Bitmart account. To check to see if our Ethereum has arrived, we go into the top right corner and click Assets again. Here you can see we have 0.045 Ethereum ready at our disposal. Now all we have to do is go on the Bitmart Exchange. Here you can see the exchange button on the top left. Click it. Afterwards, you see a beautiful UX UI design come out with our trading view charts right in the middle, showing the past and present price of Bitcoin at the moment to US dollar tether. And on the left, oh, that's nice. Here you can see that we have, for each crypto that we have on our exchange, a nice quick review so that our investors know exactly what they're getting into. On the left side, you can see we have our Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar stablecoin, and BMX markets. I've also made sure that I've clicked a couple of these stars on the left with the pairs that I want to keep a close eye on. They're called my favorites. To see all your favorites, all you have to do is click the star icon in the top left corner. You can see all of the crypto that I have right now that I keep a close eye on. On the right side, you'll see your order book. And below it, you have an option to buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. Right now, we have Ethereum. So let's deal in the Ethereum markets. Before I start trading on Bitmart, it's important for me to know that if I use my BMX tokens for my transactions, I can get 50% off my transactions. In order to do so, you click on your account in the top right, and at the fee discount row, you can see that if you pay your fees with BMX tokens, you get 50% off. Make sure that this is turned on. Now I go back to my exchange, go to the Ethereum markets, type in BMX to receive the pair. And I see that it's actually quite low right now. It's a good buying point. So that's what I'll do. Let's say I want to buy 100 BMX tokens. What I'll do is I'll find a price point. I type in the amount that I want to buy. And I click buy. It's that simple. That's great. So we have 100 BMX tokens in our wallet ready to rock and roll. Now I can exchange any of these tokens at a very low discounted rate. This is perfect. Okay, great. Now that we have that done, the last thing I have to show you is how to withdraw cryptocurrencies from our Bitmart Exchange wallets. This is very simple. You go back to your asset page, which is this page right here, and click on withdraw under actions. In this case, we'll still work with the Ethereum that we have. Now, my Bitmart account is set up already with my full KYC verified, with my name, my ID, a selfie of a clear selfie of myself, my ID, and a written paper saying Bitmart and the date I took the picture. It's very important that you do this before you start withdrawing your assets, and I will show you how that looks later on. For now, let's say I want to bring it to my Engine wallet. I click max. I show that it's an individual wallet and not an exchange wallet. Type in my login password and withdraw. Now I have to go back into my email and receive the verification code to put into here. Once that's the case, my funds will be sent and on its way. Okay guys, so I've started a new account on Bitmart just to show you guys how to go through the KYC process. Click to start verifying. You will then put in your country, your name, gender, birthday, and document type. Under document type, you could put your ID, which is a state ID or country ID, a passport, or your driver's license. Make sure that you have clear pictures of the front and the back of your ID or passport, as well as a very clear picture of your selfie. It'll be yourself, your ID that you choose, and the just a page, a piece of paper written Bitmart, and your signature, as well as the date when you took that picture. Make sure that all documentation is very clear, especially your face, when taking this selfie. After all of that, you click submit, and our team will work as fast as they can to verify your account. After that, you move up to a level 2, which means you could have a daily withdrawal limit of 100 BTC, which is more than enough. It's important to note that the general trading fee is 0.2% from the taker side and 0.1% from the maker side. So make sure that you add your BMX tokens to apply for 50% discounts when trading. For more information, please check out www.bitmart.com/fee/EN for more details. And there you have it, folks. It's as simple as that. If you guys need any extra help, as I said, please feel free to contact myself or go into the Bitmart official Bitmart Exchange Telegram group. And we have a whole bunch of great people from all around the world ready at your disposal. It's important to note that Bitmart Exchange has 229 pairs throughout the BMX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD stablecoin markets. That's a lot of crypto projects, old and new, that you can start getting involved with at an early stage in the crypto markets. Bitmart just wants to make it very easy and very secure for everybody to start exchanging and investing. Thank you for listening into this video. We look forward to any comments or questions, and we look forward to having you guys on board. Take care and happy investing.